Hello guys, welcome to Affiliate Airdrop. In this video I'll be showing you one of the latest token airdrop in town now. Okay, that looks like Coin and almost the same price. So the name of the token is Brick. Okay, so you guys can follow the steps to mine this coin. So as you can see, the price of peak currently is 0.001003 at Radium Exchange. Okay, and the supply is currently 1 billion. The market cap is $1 million, and then the Solana price, current Solana price is $170. So this is because it's on the Solana blockchain. Okay, so you can see this is the group. Okay, so when you click on the link given to you in the description or comment section, it will take you to the bots. Okay, so here are all my bots. Okay, so this is where it's going to take you to. You click on game tasks here. You click here game/task to start the project. Okay, and it's going to load up. Okay, so what they want you to do is to join Telegram chat, so which is what you've seen initially. Actually just join the Telegram chat, and then there is a Telegram channel. You have to click to join here. Okay, then you click on join, then you go back, and that's all done. Now we are in the app, in the bot. Okay, so for signing up with my link, you'll be getting the 20,000 balance. Okay, so as you can see, this project is already listed, okay, on Radium Exchange. Okay, so it will soon be listed on other exchanges, and you know what will happen when that is done. The price is going to blow up. Okay, so all you need to do is to tap. As you can see, it says tap me. Okay, so the information I'm hearing is that the withdrawal button will soon be up. Okay, so the withdrawal button will soon be down here, where you have to connect your Solana wallet to either Tonkeeper or wherever they want us to connect it to. So in the meantime, we can just keep mining as much as we can until that is done. As you can see, this project is fresh, and you have the opportunity. This there's nothing like, oh, will they ever list it and stuff like that. It's already listed on Radium Exchange. Okay, so you can always come here to use one of the boosters. Okay, as you can see, I clicked on boosters. Let me show you here. This is it. You click here, boosters. Okay, so then you can invite a friend and receive another 20k, which was what happened. Okay, so when you use my link, you'll be getting 20k. Do you understand? You'll be getting 20k tokens. So let's check here, hot robot auto clicker. So okay, so this robot uses 12 hours per day. Okay, even without your participation, so you'll be getting coins non-stop. You understand? Let me off my. Okay, so and then there are other things there. We have the boost for 300% more energy when you invite 5 friends. So all this will be happening automatically when you refer people. So we have turbo 3x here, turbo 3 times. So when I click on it, I'm going to be getting free turbo boost. So you can see it says boost activated. So this is going to last for 1 hour. I already have a boost currently. So let's see if I'll be able to tap, or if the boost is automatic. Okay, I think it's automatic. Okay, as you can see, this is my first time using this project. Okay, so energy regeneration. Okay, so it's loading. So okay, I think the turbo boost is per minute, not per hour. It's per minute. So okay, so it says my energy is full. Okay, as you can see, the notification says my energy is full. So I'll be going back. I have some tasks to perform. Okay, so I've already performed those tasks from the beginning. Okay, so and I've been rewarded already. Okay, so but there are still some remaining. So which is a hamster gang here. So I'll be clicking on it, and then the task is here. When I complete the task, we have to upload this screenshots here. Okay, so that is how this is done. This other one, very big bonus. Whatever task you are doing, upload screenshots. Okay, after completing it, you upload the screenshots right here. So the next one is YouTube gang. Perform the task and upload screenshots for confirmation. So they'll confirm your screenshots. Social media gang. Okay, and upload screenshots. And then the last one, follow on Twitter and upload screenshots. So as you can see, the prick is a good project. It's brand new, and as time goes on, they'll be rolling in other buttons like the withdrawal buttons and some other relevant buttons. Okay, so the good thing about this project is that it's currently listed now. It's on an exchange called Radium. Okay, so you guys should hop into this project now. You don't have to wait or start wondering if this project will be launched or not, like some other project that we are already mining. So hop into this and mine as much as you can. You have seen the current price of the prick token. Okay, so also remember to join the group. Okay, that's where the latest updates are. Join my group so that you'll be getting the latest information about this. In case I'm not able to roll out a video, and information will be posted on the group about withdrawals and or trading signals and so on, etc. So follow, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.